What's up? What you doing? Oh, honey, what's the matter? What's the matter?
I want the phone.
What's she got? What's Mama got?
Oh, that's a cute face.
Hey, Noisy Pants. Hey, Noisy Pants, what you doing?
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Yes, I'm videotaping you. Do something funny. Besides your monkey noises.
Use a microphone connected to an oscilloscope to see what frequency the glass vibrates at. I'll then set that frequency on a signal generator, which is going to play it back through an amplifier into a speaker. Because the glass is going to be moving more than 400 times per second, we'll be using a strobe light in order to slow down the motion. Now, this is going to be loud, so I have to wear some protection.
Hi.